Howdy. So what we're looking at today is the new washed corduroy. My favorite fucking shorts in the new color that I created, like, I don't know, mid-spring when I was in Japan. I'm calling this ocean blue. It's fucking sweet. It's almost teal. The fade and the sun wash that we do is pretty fun, so it just lightens it up in the areas in which I want to have it lightened. Took the pocket design that I have on the informal pant that's based off a pant that I wore growing up, and as you'll see, fun tonal buttonhole. Decided to go with a button fly. These are the buttons that we're going to be are going to be used on a special jean we're doing this fall. Also this tag. So this tag is actually a replica of an original Black Bear brand tag. I made some slight but minor kind of creative adjustments to it, but this is going to come on a handful of pieces, but kind of picked, I don't know, because I want to, I guess, as easy as, or as much that's going to take or be driven behind why I choose to use it. But it was on the Boro, it's on these. These are kind of the short in which I just really wanted for this summer. So again, pocket, very similar to the informal pant. The side pocket, it's kind of a mid-leg, super fun. Was actually on a pant I did with a collaboration with Dickies about 7 years ago. Also did that. You'll see the kind of belt loops that we've got here. If one's going to wear a belt, I really like to kind of, let's say, do these, again, say 2 on the hip, 1 on each hip, and then 3 on the back, and then 2 on the front. It's placed nicely. Accompany this with our charcoal black, you know, with its kind of wash, which is also fun. All the styling's the same, but these 2 colors are the kind of corduroys I was playing with while I came up with the design, and also just really what I wanted, you know, the 2 differences, the dark and the kind of light, a colorful, and then something that is just black but has its own creative kind of funness to it because of the wash. So